Now for a tour of CarePICS. We have both a provider application and a patient-facing application. We run on both Android and iOS mobile devices as well as the tablets. We require no special equipment. Our goal is to remove the barriers of entry so our software can enhance the quality of wound documentation in your practice and encourage patient engagement. One of the things we do very well is our wound documentation. It affirms best practices, is informed by CMS, makes it easy to be compliant, and increases confidence in the process. Our look and feel guides the user through simple forms to create compliant wound documentation. And it's easy to use CarePICS in a visit. Take a picture, measure the wound, update the wound description, and send the report. The providers we serve gain clinical insights to the progress of their patients' wounds, and they can be confident in the quality of their wound documentation. Our streamlined workflows save providers up to 85% of the time to document their wound, and we also improve the quality and consistency, resulting in wound documentation you can trust. More than this, we use this data to enable best practice activities. Reports, consults, referrals are fantastic ways to collaborate with multi-specialty and distributed care teams. Televisits are a way to extend the context of care outside of the physical office. And of course, orders. We bring the information existing in the patient's record into the order. No paper, no fax, no double data entry. And we support multiple order workflows for surgical supplies, DME items, wound vacs, exosomes, and cellular tissue products. We walk you through a checklist to help you create a compliant order. Patient and clinical information that already exists inside of CarePICS is used to populate the order form and help validate the clinical eligibility of the wound. Choose your product, choose your delivery details, review, and sign your order. There, your order is sent for fulfillment. We are CarePICS. We simplify compliant wound documentation. Come by our booth and sign up for a demo. We're looking forward to meeting all of you. Now, back to you, Dr. Bromley.